Most people think learning prompts or mastering ChatGPT is what will protect them from AI. But they're wrong. The real secret skill that makes you irreplaceable in the AI bubble isn't knowing every new tool. It's becoming the person who actually knows how to make those tools work inside a business. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Understand the AI bubble. Right now, the world is in a strange position. Every company wants AI, but few know what to do with it. That's why if you learn this one skill, you'll never have to worry about being replaced by AI. You'll be the one guiding others through it. A global survey has found that about 41% of employers plan to reduce their workforce by 2030 because of AI and automation. At the same time, a McKinsey study found that while most companies are investing in AI, only about 1% say they're actually mature in using it. They're buying tools, hiring consultants, and holding meetings about AI strategy. But most have no clear process. It's like giving someone a race car and forgetting to teach them how to drive. Here's what that means for you. Big companies, small startups, and even solo businesses are desperate for people who can translate AI potential into real results. They don't need another outside consultant charging hourly fees. They need someone inside who understands the work and can say, this task can be automated, this report can be generated, and this workflow can be improved with AI. That's what makes you irreplaceable. This is where the idea of the AI champion comes in. An AI champion isn't a developer or a data scientist. They're a regular professional who learns how to lead AI adoption inside a company. They might be a marketer, a salesperson, an HR manager, or even a freelancer running a small team. What sets them apart is that they understand how to use AI to improve results, save time, and make things run smoothly. If you spend the next 90 days developing this skill, you can move from being someone replaceable to someone companies can't function without. Step 2, change how you think. In this new economy, there are AI specialists and AI generalists. Specialists are great at one narrow area, like data science or prompt engineering. They dig deep. But the truth is, most workplaces don't need that right now. They need generalists. Generalists connect ideas, tools, and people. They can spot opportunities where AI saves time or improves customer experience. They adapt quickly when new tools appear. It's like comparing two animals. The panda survives when everything stays calm. The raccoon survives when everything changes. The AI world is chaos right now, so you want to be the raccoon. An AI generalist builds 4 powers that drive business results. The first is create. This means using AI to generate things like videos, articles, audio clips, social posts, or design assets from simple prompts. The second is connect. This means using AI tools to communicate and write better, faster, and clearer. The third is automate. That's when you use AI agents and no-code platforms to handle repetitive tasks like data entry, reports, or customer service replies. And the last is build. This is where you create small internal tools, dashboards, or workflows that make your team more efficient. You don't need to master all 4 at once. Even learning 2 can double your output. To make this real, let's go step by step through a simple 90-day plan. Step 3, do this for the first 30 days. The first 30 days are about mastering your current role using AI. Your goal is to become twice as effective at what you already do. Start by picking 1 or 2 of those powers that make sense for your job. If you're a marketer, focus on create and connect. That could mean using a tool like Higgsfield to generate short video ads or using Poppy AI to write and refine your email campaigns. If you're in sales, focus on automate. You could set up an AI copilot that does your pre-call research and summarizes client data before meetings. If you work in finance or operations, focus on build. You can use no-code platforms to make dashboards that update automatically. HR professionals can focus on automate to handle screening, form processing, and follow-up messages. The point is to make your current work faster, not harder. Here's how you'll know it's working. At the end of those 30 days, track how much time you've saved or how much better your output has become. If you've saved 3 hours a week or improved your campaign conversion rate, write it down. You're building proof. You're showing value, not just learning theory. It's the same logic a good business owner uses. Measure results, not effort. That data will matter later. Step 4. Do this for the second month. You've already made your personal work faster, so now you look at your team or clients. Your goal is to find one big bottleneck and solve it with AI. This is where you stop being a user and start being a problem solver. Begin by listening. Pay attention to complaints in your team meetings or messages. You'll hear things like, "This takes forever," or "We're waiting on reports," or "We always miss this step." Those are gold. Pick one issue that's high impact but simple enough to fix. Then research AI tools that can handle it. There are thousands of tutorials online showing how to automate reports or integrate tools. Choose one and build a small fix. Let's take an example. Suppose you're in HR and your team struggles with screening hundreds of applications. You can create an AI screening assistant that sorts candidates by keywords and experience. The key is to end this phase with something real. Build a small prototype that works, then make a simple one-page report showing the time saved or the improvement achieved. This is where you stop saying AI can help and start showing how it already has. Step 5. Do this for the final 30 days. Now, it's time to make your results visible and step into leadership. That's when you move from quiet problem solver to recognized AI leader. Start by sharing your one-page report with your manager or your team. Keep it clear and focused on outcomes. Say, "We saved X hours per week by building this tool." Then run a short team session, 15 minutes is enough, showing what you built and how others can use it. Finally, offer to help another department start a small AI pilot project. This is how internal AI consultants are born. You're no longer just the person doing tasks. You're the person who understands the system and makes it more efficient. You become the go-to person for AI inside your company, and that makes you indispensable. When you reach this stage, something interesting happens. You start thinking less like an employee and more like a business partner. You see problems and immediately look for AI-powered solutions. You connect processes that others didn't even realize could work together. You start noticing how to save the company money, reduce errors, and deliver faster results. And people notice you. The irony is that while others are scared AI might replace them, you've already made yourself the one who knows how to use it best. You've become future-proof. The secret skill that makes you irreplaceable in the AI bubble is learning how to lead AI adoption where you work. You understand the tools, you see where they fit, and you act before others do. If you start today, within 3 months, you can become the person who everyone turns to when they ask how to make AI work for them. That's what it means to be the AI champion. Which AI power will you work on first? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe while you're there.